Hello everybody and welcome to another one of my videos. Today we're going over to Spain and we're going to be cooking for you today Spanish tortilla. I'm going to be doing this in my style, how I do my one, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, share and subscribe and tell a friend to tell a friend, and we'll get on with the process and show you how it's done. Our ingredients, what we're going to be using for today are going to be using eggs, onions, we've got our parsley. We're just going to be using the dry one today. We've got salt and pepper and garlic. We've got, I'm going to be using smoked sausage today. I know the usual one for this is the chorizo, but we don't like it, so I'm doing this my style. We've got our potatoes, which I've already boiled just to save a bit of time. I'm going to be using some cheese as well. So those are our ingredients for today. Right, so we've got our pan on a low heat, and we've added about 2 tablespoons of olive oil to it. So we're just going to sweat off our onions. And into our onion, we're going to crush our garlic. So that's our garlic and our onions, what we're going to sweat off. Just want these to get soft and translucent. So we're going to let those sweat up, and then once we get to our stage, then we'll get back to you. Right, so into our pot we've got our potatoes, what we've already cooked down. You don't want them too soft, so I'm just going to crush these down a bit. If you want, you can slice your potatoes very thinly and fry those down as well. And you can also cook this on the cooker top if you want to, but I'm going to be doing some of this in the oven as well. So back to our onions. You just want those sweated down a bit. Then to that I'm going to add our smoked sausages. Just going to get a little bit of heat through that. Right, so meanwhile that's frying off, we've got our bowl and we're going to break our eggs into it. So I'm using 6 eggs. And to the eggs I'm going to be adding salt and pepper. Then I'm going to whisk this through. So I'm just going to keep an eye on this as well. And then to that I'm going to add our parsley. And then I'm going to take this off the heat now. This is just to give our things a little bit of colour. So they're at the stage where I want them, so just take them off. Then we've got our potatoes which we've sort of crushed. Then add it a bit at a time to the mixture. You can have this smooth if you want it smooth, or if you want it lumpy. This is a bit of both. So that's all our potatoes gone in now. And what you're going to do with your mixture, you just want to put in a bit at a time and give that a stir through. So that's all our mixture gone in. I'm just going to give that a stir in. And then with this one you want a very low heat. And we're going to put this back into our pan. I'm just going to spread this out. And you want to be using a non-stick pan for this as well. Right, I'm just going to leave that there till it starts to set from the side. You're going to see when it starts to set. Then we're going to be putting it in our oven as well. So we've got it to almost where we want it to. And we're just going to grate our cheese. As you can see, it's nice and browning from the sides. It hasn't set yet. And we've got our fan oven on 180, which is about a gas mark 4. So we're going to sprinkle our cheese on top. Bit more cheese, so just even this out. And now we're going to put this in our oven for until when it sets and the top gets a nice little bit of colour to it, and then we'll get back to you. Right, so it's been in the oven for about 20-25 minutes, so we're just going to take it out now. And as you can see, it's nice and golden brown on top, and that's the colour what you're looking for on it. So we're going to plate up a bit, and then we'll show you what it looks like on a plate. So we'll be back with you in a minute. So this is what it looks like on a plate. You can see it's nice and firm and everything. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like, share and subscribe. If you want to leave a comment, please leave a comment in the comment section. We do get back to you on them. And thanks for watching this one, and we'll see you on the next one.